Hello, everyone. Happy New Year to all our trader friends. Hello, Soda. I already see you here. Welcome back to the Altrady channel, and finally, welcome back live after the holiday break. I hope you all had a great Christmas and an excellent New Year's Eve. And above all, that 2025 was a profitable year for your trading, even though, let's be honest, the crypto market really tests us with widespread losses and a lot of frustration. But the market never sleeps, and 2026 has started with some very interesting signals, which we'll be looking at and analyzing together shortly. With me today, as always, is Dimitro. Hi, Dimitro. How are you?
Hello, Rafael. Hello, everyone. Hello, Soda. I'm doing great, energized, and yeah, I'm ready because this is the first week, yeah, almost almost second of the year. But yeah, it's anything but quiet. Macro, labor data, Bitcoin moving. I would say we have a lot of to analyze. You agree, Rafa?
Oh, I agree. I agree. That's why we are here for this
Exactly.
reason. Well, we are back live with our usual macro insight weekly analysis, and today we are doing with a huge catalyst. So let me open our calendar. So very shortly, two key data points will be released today. U.S. unemployment rates, as you see here, guys, and U.S. Non-farm employment change. So these are the most important indicators for the U.S. labor market. So the ones that show us the real health of the U.S. economy, not the narrative version.
Yeah, exactly. And these numbers don't just impact the dollar of bonds. Actually, they affect the Fed expectation, risk on, risk off dynamics, and consequently, Bitcoin, crypto, and of course, speculative assets.
Yeah. And personally, I'm expecting slightly weaker than expected data today with a possible deterioration in the labor market. So, if that is the case, we could see rising expectations for a more accommodative policy stance, pressure on yields, and of course, an immediate reaction in crypto markets. So, that is why you should stay with us, guys, for the coming minutes because we'll be reacting to the news in real time and watching like price action together.
Yeah, exactly. Rafa, do you have any prediction for how crypto
I
will?
expect some fall because I'm expecting a bad data for the unemployment and for non-farm. I mean, I expect a higher unemployment rate, maybe 4.7, 4.8, and non-farm definitely under zero. What about you, Dimitro?
Yeah, I agree with you, but yeah, need to say that actually what you say is the key point. Yeah, that not the data itself, but how the market reacts to the data. Yeah, so
Yeah.
we will see how it really reacts, and yeah, of course, how Bitcoin reacts. Yeah, because very often the real signal isn't in the number, but in Bitcoin's the reaction during the first few minutes. So we will we will be in touch. Yeah, with that.
Oh yeah. So let's move on the technical analysis then.
Yeah.
Quick technical analysis. So Bitcoin actually started 2026 with a mini breakout here, guys. Strength, upside momentum, and the first trading days closing in a positive territory. Price push all the way up to around 95K. We saw a new swing high, printing a technical, very interesting pattern. The one we post on social media, the legendary Adam and Eve reversal pattern.
Well, that's really interesting one.
Yeah, actually, I never used this pattern in my life, but it's interesting to see it. Dimitro, what do
Yeah,
you
but
think?
yeah. Need to say that the pattern that has historically preceded regime shifts. but one that still needs like clear confirmation, of course.
Yeah.
So the question now is just one actually. So will January be the month of a decisive breakout, or will it remain trapped in this sideways accumulation range? What do you think, Rafa? Because yeah, I saw that we almost break 95K. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, but we immediately got rejected. So I think the accumulation phase is still on. So usually January and February are quite boring month, but let's see if we can get some momentum because let's remember Bitcoin has been stuck for a month in this consolidation phase. So compression and selective volumes defines a market in waiting. But when Bitcoin waits for so long after the breakout, price usually flies. So we need to be very, very careful about this.
Yeah, I agree
Let's
with you.
move to another interesting thing. Let's move to the ETF front. Because here the signal has been crystal clear. So the price action actually doesn't look that good. But on DTF side, the situation is different. After ugly close to December, you see here, guys, 29 December and no, sorry, 31 December with outflow and negative sentiment. January opens with record inflows over 690 millions in a single day in spot Bitcoin ETFs. So that is a huge number.
Yeah, and this is actually the crucial point because we are not talking about a single product, but flow spread across multiple ETFs. So um, I can say that it's not like retail FOMO. This is institutional capital stepping back in.
Yeah, yeah, I agree. I agree with you, Dimitro, because I mean, $700 million is a
Yeah,
big amount.
that's a big one.
Uh, yeah, yeah, in just one single day on ETF. So it's an important and relevant.
Yeah, it's almost the biggest one in December. Yeah, I think on December 15 was only bigger. Yeah.
Yeah, 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 correct. So smart money are buying during boredom, not during euphoria. So it's a signal that historically comes before the move and not after.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so Rafa, let's look at volatility. What do you think about that?
Yeah, another interesting chart. Let's look at the volatility.
Yeah, because the picture here is actually very, very interesting. So, what do we see here? So, since December, we've seen a strong downward trend in Bitcoin's 30-day annualized volatility. So we can really see, yeah, the big move to down from the start of
Yeah,
the year.
yeah. Yeah, from the 50%, like as average,
Yeah.
as you say, is like annualized volatility on 30-day calculation. The average was around 45 and 50, and January is definitely under 30%. So this is a scenario that reduces overall market stress and improves general sentiment. So it's often sets it often sets the stage for explosive directional move. So low volatility is not weakness; it's the calm before the storm. So very often it's compression before release. We, as I say before, when volatility is low, we need to be careful.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so let's move back to Bitcoin. Let me clean up the chart.
Yeah,
Let me,
let's maybe check some coins. Yeah, how this coin starts a year. I think it will be interesting.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Which coin you want to look at?
Uh, I don't know. It's up to you.
Well, let's see. I mean, altcoins are quite boring right now.
Yeah.
There is only I forgot, it was Link or another one that was showing a good price action. But the macro data will be released very shortly. So let's see if we can track some volume and the immediate market reaction, because this is the moment when the market really speaks. So we have the order book on the right. We see some interesting buying orders. The price actually is forming lower high, and it looks like Bitcoin broke the dynamic downward trend line. So now
Yeah.
maybe we could make some move like this and go to reach this fair value gap.
Yeah, and I think it will be as a first rebel area. So if we will break this, probably yeah, that would be really interesting then to find some long position. Yeah, because this fair value gap then yeah can be as a support level. So yeah, it would
Mhm.
be really interesting to see if we will break this fair value gap like in the coming days.
Okay. Let's have a look on the 1 hour chart. Let's see. Oh my God, we have like thousand of you
Yeah.
get open here. Yeah, I mean, 95K is still a big resistance.
Yeah, we can see this very strong fair value gap. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
let me use some rectangle here to make it more clear. So since like November, so it's 2 month and half, basically, the price is is stuck in this consolidation phase. Let me take the highliner. You see, very clear. So I do expect a move up, as you say, Dimitro, but then I think another rejection will be on this will be on this level.
okay, so you like more bearish, yeah, you can say.
For the next weeks, yeah.
Mhm.
For the coming weeks, yeah. Because I think the real economy in US is not that good as people think, and as Powell, the last FOM meeting said, he doesn't trust the data right now. So I mean, he is the chief of the most important central bank in the world, and he said publicly that he doesn't trust the labor market
Yeah.
data because they are lagging, and now they are using different kind of calculations. So I think the real situation of the economy is worse than we think. But let's
Okay,
move
it's 5
to.
seconds still macro data. Let's check that.
Oh yeah, 2 seconds. Let's see drum coming. Let's see
And what we got?
what we got. Let's see
Okay.
let's see
Unemployment rate.
All right, so 50K for the non-farm change. 4.4. Okay.
Yeah,
So
it's
below
it's
the
okay.
forecast. Okay, let's move to Bitcoin chart. Let's see if there is some upside spike. No, no way. Okay, no, actually,
We have some spike, yeah, I think. Some very
yeah,
small.
but let's have a look in more detail about the order block. Yeah, some short, some sells are stepping in.
Yeah.
So I think this move could be like this and then move up.
Yeah, but again, it's not financial advice.
Yeah, I mean it's just my
Yeah,
personal
it
opinion
can
on that.
happen. It can happen. Yeah, would be
Let me
really yeah, would be really interesting to see that in our next stream. Yeah, to
Oh yeah. So we have the average hourly earning that is basically the
the
same as
same.
the
Yeah,
forecast. Yeah, 0.3%. So it's yeah in a good situation for non-farm. 50K actually is not that bad because the difference, the delta from the previous amount is not
yeah,
that far, only 6K different. And yeah, unemployment rate is 4.4, so not too bad. But if we look at starting from February 2023, there is rising curve in the unemployment rate. So we move from 3.7 to 4.3 as an average.
yeah,
Uh, so yeah, let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin is showing some battle between bulls and bears.
yeah.
Uh,
Thank you, Soda. Always right on the top of the news.
Let me always run. Yeah. Volumes are stepping in. Yeah. Let's see in the coming hours because Wall Street is still closed, so we could assist at some fake move before the real one
Yeah.
happens. Okay, do you want to say something more, Dimitro? Or if anyone in the chat has some comments to share?
Yeah, let just us know in the chat what you are seeing, like key levels, bullish or bearish. Yeah, so we are here to, of course, read the market together with all of you, and yeah, surely not to make random predictions.
Yeah. But I'm really sure. I'm really curious. I would like to hear and see some of your opinion, guy. If you, what are your key levels, or what is your expectation? Because it's only me giving some analysis, but I would like to have some interaction. Uh, but if not, that's fine. That's fine. We can meet again next week.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see. Let me just move to maybe 3 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, we still got some very small spike. Yeah, after the news, but not that big because the rate wasn't didn't change like that big. So
Mhm.
it was like expected numbers. So I think
Yeah. I think the market will not show any mm, any storm
yeah.
after this data because everything is in track. So yeah, let's wait for Wall Street open. And we have a comment from Red Ash Nets. If 87K does not hold, we take a range low for a what is SVP. For it fails, then 70K. Yeah, we have to move to like a daily chart.
Uh, as I know, SVP is like a swing failure pattern, but I'm not sure if that's about that.
7K. Yeah. You mean here? There is
Yeah, exactly. It's a swing failure pattern. So yeah, this is
like a crash of almost
yeah,
25%.
yeah. It's like help identify like potential reversals in the market. So that's
Yeah, but I think let me track. I have a different view from you. So that's why I like to hear different opinions. So if we track like volume profile, we still have a lot of volume here. So even if 87K doesn't hold, we still have 83 to hold before move to the 70K. So there is a, like a floor, a ground here that could hold for long before see like a swing failed pattern down to this side.
Okay, yeah, we got another comment. So swing failure pattern at 80.5k. If that does not hold, then 70k. And yeah, I think it can happen, but we have also one of the very strong level at 75k. So I'm not sure that if we like break 80k and then immediately like we go to 70. So I think second one will be 75, and if we break 75, I think that very, very, very possible ways that we can really get to 70.
Yeah, I agree with you, Dimitro. Yeah. So yeah, everything, I mean, everything is possible in
Yeah.
market, but there are some key level that really works right now, and one is the 85, and the other one is the 77. So
Yeah.
let's see, maybe
Yeah,
we could
we
have
can,
a fake breakdown.
yeah, I think we can get some like liquidity hunt at 80k,
Yeah,
and then we
yeah,
can go to long definitely. That can
yeah,
really happen.
yeah. It, I totally agree. We can see maybe some fake breakdown like this one happened last November, just to
Yeah.
grab some liquidity, maybe here or even maybe lower here, and then maybe a move like this.
Soda said,
But
I hope so straight to 70k. Seems like Soda not a Bitcoin holder.
yeah. I mean, I hope that too. Lower we go, more cheap we can buy
We
it.
can buy, yeah. So
So
it's like a sale for buying
yeah,
Bitcoin.
yeah, for sure. So I really like that comment. So that yeah, I like the emoji. Let's hope for uh, a retest at that level so we can buy even more.
But yeah, it's never
Okay.
late to buy.
Okay. Anyways, thank everyone. Thanks Dimitro for this live streaming. Cheap Dutch over. Yeah, I mean 40K it's quite
Oh my god,
impossible.
that would be a dream to buy, I think, yeah.
Yeah, I
But
will I will go to the bank and ask to borrow me some money, so I will buy Bitcoin at that price.
give me a loan for that, you know.
Yeah. uh
Yeah,
okay
but
then.
it also can happen. Yeah, we will see. We will see what 2026 will bring to us, because yeah, that's really interesting.
Yeah, but crypto has changed in the last years, and it's not like 5 years ago. So now it's more regular. So many institutions, banks, and even governments are stepping in. So it's very hard to see a big crash like in the previous years. I mean, there is my opinion. So I think it's more solid and more control than before.
Yeah,
Then
I
it
agree with you.
yeah. If we make one more low, then it's possible. It depends on which kind of low, and it depends of liquidation, on volumes, on volatility. It depends of many factors, of course. So everything has to be, in the right place, uh, right ask. I think so. There are kind of down move and up move that are different to others, so always need to track every factors and on chain data. So it depends like in my opinion, for example, this drop we have seen last year is just a very healthy correction phase for a bullish long term trend. But for many retail traders, this was the blood path that burn out many accounts. But you cannot keep buying Bitcoin forever if you don't have a kind of this correction. That is, if we track from the swing high to the swing low, is oh no, sorry guys, I'm on the 5 minutes. Let's move to the one day. I was talking about this one. So if we take the swing high to the swing low, is like 30 minus 35%. So it's a good correction to let Bitcoin breathe and then consolidate for accumulation phase and then fly again.
Yeah, that was a good analysis, I think.
I hope so. Okay, yeah. Now the price has stabilized a bit. 30 minutes and Wall Street will open. So let's see if we definitely can reach this fair value gap by today. And let's get back next week, guys, together and analyze macro insights and news. Thanks,
Yeah,
everyone. Thanks, Dimitro.
thanks, Rafa, and see you very soon.
See you very soon. Hello, Soda. Bye, everyone. And thanks.
Bye bye, everyone.
Bye.